Hey, what's up everybody? Matt Bolin here. Thanks for taking a minute to check out this video. Hope you guys are doing well. And today I wanted to review Local Job Board Killer. Wanted to give you guys an overview, really let you know what this product is all about, let you know about the upgrade offers, let you know about the pricing schedule and everything else as well. So what is this and why are we going to be excited about Local Job Board Killer? Well, this essentially is a step-by-step method teaching us how to get paid by helping local businesses simplify one of their most dreaded tasks. Really, it's the hiring and recruiting process. Every local business owner that has an employee faces this problem, and as local marketing consultants, essentially, we get paid to help business owners solve problems, right? So this is pretty cool. It's a unique angle, going to be very, very low, if any, competition at all with this service. Mike Paul is releasing this. Product, again, is called Local Job Board Killer, being released Monday, July 22nd at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. And the main offer price here is going to be $27. There are some optional upgrade offers that will cover as well. But I want to give you a closer look here at Local Job Board Killer. If you click the link down below in the description box, you'll be taken over to the sales page. So I'll take a quick scroll through, but definitely take some time to check this out for yourself. There's a nice 3-minute video here where Mike talks more really about Local Job Board Killer and the method and the strategy. But the first thing that'll strike you about Mike, if you guys are unfamiliar with him, is he's a real guy. You know, he does this stuff for a living. He's been doing it for a long time. This isn't theory or fluff that he's put together. This is a real problem that any business owner with an employee faces, and we can come in and really help simplify that whole entire process for them, and at the same time earn their trust and respect, which is going to lead to future deals and selling them more services down the road. So definitely take some time, go through this sales page here. Mike talks really a lot more about the need for this service. You're really going to not have any competition with any other local consultants in your area offering this service. This is in the 10 years that I've been offering local marketing consulting services, this is the first time I've ever seen a product. Not to say it's the only product that's ever been released, I don't know, but it's the first time that I've ever seen a product focusing on providing this service to local businesses. So this is awesome. Check it out, and if you have any questions whatsoever, definitely let me know. Okay, so what are we looking at for OTOs or upgrade offers? So there are two that you'll see with Local Job Board Killer. The first one is going to be some additional training. It's related to the main offer, but like I say here, it's not really required to implement it at all. It's going to teach you a passive prospecting method to land new clients for this service, and there's also going to be some training on campaign optimization. So this is going to help kind of enhance what you do with the main offer. There's some training here. Mike's just kind of some over-the-shoulder training that Mike gives you into him actually doing this process. So some more detailed and enhanced training there with the first upgrade offer. That's going to be $47. And the second upgrade offer is also going to be priced at $47. Essentially, it's a done-for-you social media marketing kit that's going to make the entire process, you know, I say quote-unquote copy and paste easy, but basically it's templated stuff that you can use, which makes it a heck of a lot easier than writing all that or trying to create that for yourself. And the pricing schedule for Local Job Board Killer, like I said, it's going to have an early bird price of $27 for the first 24 hours, and then it's going to be on a dime sale from there, which means that with each and every sale, the price is going to go a little bit higher. So as always, just be sure to check this out ASAP in order to get the best price. If you enjoy the content, you're watching this on YouTube, give me a thumbs up. If you want more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. And if you want to be notified as soon as they're released, click the notification bell. If you have any questions, let me know. Hope you guys are all doing well. I'll catch up soon. Take care.